Eternity is a vast expanse. Yet, within it, a handful of enterprises stand as beacons, capable of bestowing robust rewards upon their stakeholders throughout their journey. These architects of wealth often harness potent trends that consistently propel their revenue and earnings to loftier heights as time unfurls. In this video, we'll unveil the gems of the investment world, companies with staying power, resilience, and the promise to yield lasting rewards. Let's dive into the art of securing your financial future with unwavering investments. General Motors Company. Hailing from the heart of Detroit, Michigan, General Motors, or the General Motors Company, is a powerhouse on the global automotive stage. Zooming into the opening act of 2023, the company revved up its revenue engine, clocking an impressive 11.1% surge compared to the previous year, with the digits soaring skyward, nearly kissing the $40 billion mark. As the wheels turn, the automotive operating cash flow for the quarter roared to life, flexing its muscles at a robust $2.3 billion. This was no mere pit stop. It marked a remarkable climb from the $1.6 billion pitfall of the preceding year. In a move akin to a seasoned driver taking the lead, Adam Jomas, the analytical maestro at Morgan Stanley, maneuvered General Motors Company up the ratings chart. Shifting gears from equal weight to overweight, he signaled a bullish outlook, amped up by a price target elevation from $35 to $38, placing the company on the winner's podium of the auto sector. Jonas christened it as one of the coveted top 5 auto companies. And while the gears of change were at work, Insider Monkey's treasure trove of data from Q1 2023 revealed a convoy of 73 hedge funds that threw their support behind General Motors Company. Their combined investment signaled a hefty endorsement, translating to a formidable $4 billion. One prominent member of this alliance, Harris Associates, took the wheel with a substantial stake, steering their belief into the company's future. The Procter & Gamble Company. From its headquarters nestled in Cincinnati, Ohio, emerges the Procter & Gamble Company, a venerable American multinational crafting consumer goods since its 1837 inception by visionaries William Procter and James Gamble. Across the globe, their brand resonates, offering a symphony of consumer packaged goods under the banners of beauty, grooming, healthcare, fabric and home care, and baby, feminine, and family care. The scene was set on April 11, a date etched in financial history as the day the Procter & Gamble Company orchestrated a harmonious rise in dividends. The melody played, a $0.09,407 per share dividend, an elegant 3% crescendo from before. With this strategic note, their dividend growth legacy stretched forth like an unbroken thread, spanning an astonishing 67 years. This accomplishment not only solidified their reign as a crown jewel among dividend aristocrat stocks, but also crowned them as one of the eternally brilliant stocks. In the secret chambers of Insider Monkey's data, the first quarter numbers beckon us. Here, a tale unfolds minus 75 hedge funds raising their banners in favor of this company, a subtle uptick from the 74 in the previous quarter. The orchestration of belief is led by none other than Ray Dalio's Bridgewater Associates, a towering presence that owns 4.94 million shares, a treasure valued at a commanding $735.2 million. Apple. It stands as the ultimate exemplar of a buy-and-hold stock strategy. Through the currents of various technological waves that not just sailed but often steered, shaping the course of personal computing, smartphones, and wearable innovations. Presently, it sets its sails for uncharted waters, boldly venturing into the swiftly expanding realm of augmented and virtual reality with its revolutionary Vision Pro headsets. Each new device Apple introduces acts as a welcoming gateway into their extensive universe of products and services. A staggering installed base of over 2 billion devices speaks volumes about their influence. Once someone steps into the realm of an iPhone, Mac, or any other of its creation, a sense of loyalty often takes root, nurturing an enduring customer relationship. This unbreakable bond generates a consistent appetite for the myriad services they offer, including fan favorites like Apple Pay, iCloud Plus, and the harmonious notes of Apple Music. These dynamics combine harmoniously to orchestrate a symphony of profits for Apple, an astounding $100 billion orchestrating the score of 2022 alone. This wealth of resources isn't just held close. It's shared with investors through dividends and share buybacks. These financial cadences, in turn, harmonize to create the melody of an ascending stock price, a crescendo poised to resonate in the years that lie ahead. Regrettably, the siren song of short-term concerns often lures many astray when it comes to Apple stock. Evading this tempestuous trap is paramount. Embracing the ethos of buying and holding this established victor grants you a splendid chance at crafting enduring prosperity. ExxonMobil. Amidst the surging tides of renewable energy sources like wind and solar power, a striking fact endures. Over 80% of the world's energy consumption is still fueled by the steadfast power of fossil fuels, as underscored by the Energy Institute. Enter ExxonMobil, Exxon 0.49%. A prominent figure in oil and gas production, poised to reap substantial rewards from the unswerving global demand for reliable fuel reserves. But here's where the narrative evolves. While the demand for oil and gas remains steadfast, Exxon has set its sights on a horizon even more distant, a horizon illuminated by the promise of low-carbon energy solutions. Exxon is channeling its resources into an ambitious foray into carbon capture and storage, a transformative process capable of corralling over 90% of emissions from power plants and industrial complexes, as attested by the Center for Climate and Energy Solutions. The oil magnate is laying the groundwork for state-of-the-art facilities dedicated to the production of hydrogen and renewable diesel. Exxon anticipates robust returns on investments ranging from 10% to a staggering 20% for these ventures. Imagine the symbiosis of sustainability and profitability. It's a bold stance that Exxon is adopting, anchored in the belief that their annual revenue stemming from low-carbon solutions could spiral into the echelons of hundreds of billions of dollars. How? Well, it's all intertwined with a powerful current, a collective momentum of industries and governments converging to slash emissions in the impending decades. Intuitive Surgical. Let's delve into the world of cutting-edge medical advancements with Intuitive Surgical, a company that's poised to thrive in the burgeoning realm of robot-assisted medical procedures. It stands at the forefront as the global pacesetter in robotic surgery solutions. Their star player, the Da Vinci surgical system, has set the gold standard for minimally invasive surgeries, introducing a realm of possibilities. Intuitive Surgical's influence has already reached a tipping point. We're talking about over 7,700 Da Vinci systems adopted by hospitals, training over 60,000 surgeons worldwide. These skilled medical professionals have executed a staggering 12 million surgical procedures with Intuitive's pioneering tools. That's a profound commitment from healthcare establishments across the globe. It has merely scratched the surface of the vast surgical market. Given the monumental scope of the healthcare industry, Intuitive has ample room to venture into uncharted territories. Case in point, in April they garnered a prestigious nod from the Food and Drug Administration for their Da Vinci SP surgical system, tailored for uncomplicated prostatectomies, a transformative procedure for those grappling with enlarged prostates. Why all the buzz? Brace yourself for the revelations. Robotic surgery isn't just about innovation. It's a revolution with patient benefits at its core. Think reduced post-operative pain, a diminished infection risk, inconspicuous scars, and swifter hospital stays, a revelation endorsed by the Cleveland Clinic. That's all for today. Which companies do you believe possess the resilience and vision to stand the test of time? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting investment content.